meeting up with my friends and teachers, and we always have a fun time.
I'm Wei Lun. I'm 14 years old and I'm in lower secondary.
I'm Weishman. I'm 13 years old. I'm in the lower secondary program. Actually wanted to go here because I do want to have some fun. I want to get away from all the homework and all that, because like this week was so tiring. And plus, if you have a busy week, you should rest. You should rest. This is very good for your body to rest. You need to rest sometimes.
Hi, I'm Kaylin. I'm 12 years old and I'm in the lower secondary program.
What do you look forward to the most on Pasxcel?
Oh, can I answer it?
Yeah.
Meeting up with my friends and teachers, and we always have a fun time.